Welcome at Elabo. We create working environments for people with ideas. By digital connection of people, objects and systems arise dynamical, real-time optimized value networks. This development leads to effects like increase of efficiency, transparency, availability and security, as well as reducing of costs. The Elabo company supports you in all areas, in research and development, in quality assurance by remote access, award of product identity, at semi and fully automatically checking, in classical assembly, up to the after sales and service, over a RFID transponder or your planned ID card you get right of access, as well as access of material and documentation, like for example only in frequently used manuals or very precious equipment. With the intelligent workplace design, the integration of external devices is ergonomically and without any difficulty possible. Automatically your configuration for the table adjusts, such as color of light, table height and more. Use the interactive window for controlling of Elabo devices, as well as external devices through the PC, to write down the measurement results in the background. For assembly, we assist with the digital assembly plans. These are managed centrally and assure a maximum of quality and performance. Years of experience in the field of test stations and safety testing formed a software that allows, on the basis of product ID, individually detect the proper protocol and so always a standard compliant test with a processing time as most fast as possible. Monitor always the current status of each single production step or also the most common errors, for example in the service, and let you show them visually prepared at your workplace or also away on your web-enabled end device. At the latest, in a case of service, a closed product history is essential. Worldwide you get access to the right documents, the common errors and perform a standard for the product-defined function and safety test.